Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Arvind Yadav. In this video, I will explain the economic subject related to few important questions. Those are asked in UPSC, MPPSC, BPSC and UPPCS examination. In this video, I will explain important fact those chance to ask in examination. So, about me, myself Arvind Yadav, and here is my contact number, and in case of any query, kindly contact me. So start the first question. National Development Council set up in. So here is correct answer 1952, and 1952 is correct answer. So talk about the economics in term of the economic subject, economics some other committee council like NABARD. So NABARD National Agriculture Rural Development is founded in 12 July 1982. This is a recommendation of Sivaraman Committee. And another fact also we remember, like Bitcoin is founder invention by the Satoshi Nakasawa. So we move to next question. Economic planning subject is the list of union list, and you know about the union list in term of the governed by the central government, and state list is governed by the state government, and union list is central government, and concurrent list is state and central government both are make the law is in the concurrent list. So here is correct answer union list. So we are moving next subject. Next question. National Development Council get in administrative support from. So here is third question is National Council get administrative support. So here is correct answer is Planning Commission. The Planning Commission is set up in 1956 in the adopted from the Russia, and started each National Planning Commission replaced by 1st January 2015 in Niti Aayog. And talk about the Niti Aayog is Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog 1st January 2015, and 15 is Niti Aayog replaced by Planning Commission replaced by Niti Aayog. And now present chairman of Niti Aayog is Amitabh Kant, and vice chairman of Rajiv Kumar, and president Narendra Modi. So here is correct answer is Planning Commission is correct answer. So move next question. And National Plan and Indian Intended Development of the Country Industrial Thought. So here is correct answer is public, private, joint and corporate sector. The 5-year plan, those are 5-year plan started, and each 5-year government is one task, and those, and we know about the some additional fact. And 40 national bank nationalized in 1969, and six bank whose revenue is 200 crore, those is nationalized in 1980 in the Indira Gandhi government. And you know about the famous book is Poverty and British Rule of India, who is written by Dadabhai Naoroji. Poverty and British Rule book is written by Dadabhai Naoroji. So we'll move to next question. The Planning Commission is India. The Planning Commission of India is the advisory body, and you know about the Planning Commission is the last president Montek Singh Ahluwalia. And Planning Commission is a think tank like as a Niti Aayog in the similar. Those are make the plan and governed by the government. So Planning Commission is a advisory body. Those think about and analysis the various fact, and those implement by suggest the Indian government. So move next question. Take off stage is economic means. The take off stage is the meaning of steady growth began. The correct answer is steady growth began. तो take off यानी पूंजी बाजार यानी शेयर मार्केट. And talk about the other fact like SEBI. The SEBI is full form Security Exchange Board of India. SEBI full form of SEBI is Security Exchange Board of India. Is founded in 1988. About the SEBI, and who is a president of SEBI? Ajay Tyagi. And which committee recommended by SEBI is Pherwani Samiti. And one government scheme like Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana in 11 October 2014 started. So in this question, correct answer is steady growth begin. So we move next question. Planning in India derive the objective of. So planning is India is derived the it is a planning India is derived. So it is a objective from directive principle of state policy and a DPSP. The planning India who the give the idea of how to govern the make the law in child poverty, un-British law, economical weaker section and other factor is also. And directive principle is Article 35 to 51A. And fundamental right is a give the right of human being. This is a mention in Article 12 to 35, and fundamental duty is Article 51A Part 4(1), and preamble is a part of Constitution. Those are summary part of the Constitution. So here is correct answer is directive principle of state policy is correct answer. So we move next question. The 70% working population India is engaged in. So 70% population India is engaged in primary sector. And so talk about the primary sector. The primary sector is in 70% population. In 70% population is engaged in primary sector, and primary sector is a part of like agriculture, forestry and fisheries section is comes under primary sector, and secondary sector is come in the construction, electricity, gas. Construction, electricity, gas is comes under secondary sector, and tertiary sector is a transportation, in banking, bima and comes, and fourth sector is Shiksha, and fourth sector come under Shiksha. So 70% working population in India engaged in primary sector in agriculture. So we move to next question. Who is called the father of economics? The father of economics is called the Adam Smith, and Adam Smith book is Wealth of Nation. Adam Smith book is Wealth of Nation, and Wealth of Nation he belonged to Scotland, and this comes under England. Adam Smith is a father. They are give the fourth pillar is how to govern the, and four principle they are how to canon of taxation, canon of diversity, canon of economics, and four principle are very important of Adam Smith in book of Wealth of Nation, and he is written in own book. So we move to next question. Concept of 5-year plan is introduced by. The concept of 5-year plan introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru is first Prime Minister of India. He adopted this idea from Russia, and Indira Gandhi also is very in many work into in the economic sector, and Lal Bahadur Shastri give the Nara slogan of Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, and Lord Mountbatten is the last governor of in British India. So we move next question. India has a mixed economy. Who is a mixed economy? India in mixed economy, and Gandhian, those work in Gandhi principle is called the Gandhian, and socialist economy those are work in socialist idea like in Russia, and free economy though has not part. The India has in mixed economic, those in part those in mix both economy, and India is a mixed economy. India is a mixed economy in the framing of constitutional in second 5-year plan, industrial policy factor. Here is correct option in option C, industrial policy in 1948 in mixed economy. So India is economic planning cannot said be. So India is a planning commission is in indeactive is correct answer, and make India is secondary sector is domestic purpose, and we talk about the Manrega. Manrega in first in initiative in Narega. The Narega Act passed in Act in 2005, but implemented in 2nd February 2006. And Manrega word yani Mahatma Gandhi National Rozgar Guarantee Yojana is implemented in 2 October 2009. and PM Kisan Yojana is 24 February 2019. And now we come to next question. Who is the deputy chairman of planning commission? So who is the deputy chairman of planning commission? Prime minister is a chairman and finance minister also not. So here is none of these is correct answer. So we move to next question. The deputy chairman of planning commission. So deputy chairman of planning commission is prime minister, planning minister and hold rank of cabinet minister. So deputy chairman of planning commission is correct answer is a hold rank of cabinet minister. So here C third option is correct. So we move to next question. Who is the first deputy chairman of planning commission? So Sri V.T. Krishnamachari is correct answer and option C is a correct first deputy chairman of planning commission of India. So we move to next question and talk about the some other name. The Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. The Sri Jawaharlal Nehru is the first prime minister of India, and Sri Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, and Sri C. Rajagopalachari, he is a first independent independent governor of India. And so here is the correct answer is V.T. Krishnamachari is a first deputy planning commission of India. So we move to next question. And first attempt to initiative the economic planning of India is made by the M. Visvesvaraya. So who is M. Visvesvaraya? The M. Visvesvaraya is a civil engineer. He is made the dam in Odisha river in Odisha. He is belong to Odisha state, and he is made to Mahanadi river in make the dam in Hirakund Dam. And M. Visvesvaraya is a civil engineer, eminent civil engineer in Odisha in Mahanadi river. He is make the Hirakund Dam. And Jawaharlal Nehru is the first prime minister. Balwant Rai Mehta is give the tri-story Panchayati Raj Vyavastha in 1976 in 42 constitutional amendment. And Vallabhbhai Patel is the first vice prime minister of India. So here is a correct answer is M. Visvesvaraya. M. Visvesvaraya is written the book is a planned economy for India, and he is a eminent civil engineer. So here is correct answer is M. Visvesvaraya. So we move to next question. And the decentralization system was a recommendation by the decentralization and distribution of power in various steps. It's like the center, state and local government. Each give the idea by the Balwant Rai Mehta, and Balwant Rai Mehta is give the idea of the three-tier Panchayati Raj system in Balwant Rai Mehta. And Ashok Mehta's committee also give the recommendation of two-tier in decentralization government. The decentralization system is give the idea of Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi want to the power distribution of in local government. So that's why this idea is Mahatma Gandhi also idea called Mahatma Gandhi. And J.P. Kripalani is a prominent and social leader, and C. Rajagopalachari is also leader, and Balwant Rai Mehta committee is give the decentralization system and in three-story Panchayati Raj system. And you know about the three-story Panchayati Raj and three-story Panchayati Raj and 42 constitutional amendment 1976. 42 constitutional amendment 1976 give the added in three-story Panchayati Raj in recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta. And so we move to next question. The struggling and rolling plan of adopted during the prime minister ministership in the staggered and rolling plan in Morarji Desai government. And here is correct. Morarji Desai government held in 1978 to 83, and Morarji Desai is government. And what is the rolling plan? So what is the rolling plan is the annual fluctuation in price of major economics could be considered while the fixing target. So here is the rolling plan is 1 year is adopted and work in 1978 to 83 in Morarji Desai government. And Morarji Desai is the first non-Congress Prime Minister. And so here is a rolling plan adopted during the Prime Minister membership is Morarji Desai. So we move to next question. The growth rate of agriculture product in negative in the third 5-year plan in the growth section. Who is the deputy chairman of planning commission? Who is the deputy chairman of planning commission? The Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Commerce Minister. The none of these. Here is a cabinet rank holder in minister. Is correct answer. So we move to next question. The Planning Commission of India is set up in 1952. This is a correct. It is a constitutional body? Not. It is a advisory body? Yes. It is a government department? Not. Though it is a first and third is correct. So here is Planning Commission is set up in 1950 and it is a advisory body, and it give the idea, and the first and third is correct only. So we move to next question. Put the chronological order. The Constitution of National Planning Commission of India is National Congress under. So here is planned economy by Visvesvaraya published, and Bombay Plan and sitting of the National Council Plan. So here is first happen in planned economic in India, second and is first, and then which constitutional planning in India 2, and this is a Bombay Plan. Bombay Plan in comes 3, and setting up the National Council 4. So here is correct answer is D. So the microeconomic in concerned with the microeconomic in concerned of the behavior of industrial decision maker. So it is a correct. It is a level of unemployment, and not change the general level of price, not determine the price of good and service. Determine the price of good and service is correct. So here is 1 and 4th is correct. So we move to next question. Indicating the planning is being pursued India in since in 8 5-year aims to ensuring that the planning mechanism is facilitate role. The planning mechanism facilitate role. The here is it is a correct. The planning commission is facilitate role, and planning mechanism bring about the balance between the need and supply. Correct. Planning mechanism conserve with itself optimal utilization in resource. The optimum utilization resource in the term of it is also correct. Plan concern itself the laying a broad direction in which economy should is move. So here is it is also indicating the planning. So here is option 1 2 3 4 is also correct, and all of 4 is also correct. So we move to question number 28, and we talk about the highest deciding body is plan India is Planning Commission of India. The highest deciding body of planning in India is Planning Commission. It is not wrong. Why? Because a Planning Commission is just a advisory body, not a deciding body. Deciding body is a cabinet ministry, and Planning Commission is a just a advisory body, and it is a founded in 1950, and so it is a first option is wrong. The Secretary of Planning Commission of India is also a Secretary of National Development Council. So here is a Planning Commission India is Secretary of National Council. The Development Council, it is correct. The constitutional included the economic and social planning of the concurrent list. The constitution include the economic and social planning in the concurrent list. It is wrong because economics comes under the union list, and it is not comes into the social planning and other. So it is third is also wrong. And in 7th schedule of Constitution of India, it is wrong. So here is correct option is only 2, yani 2 is only correct. So move next question. First attempt of initiative of economic plan in India was made by. The first attempt of initiative the economic planning of India is M. Visvesvaraya. M. Visvesvaraya is a civil engineer. He is give the idea in planned economy of India. His book is planned economic of India in or M. Viswesvaraya is a civil engineer, and his birthday in 15 September and celebrate as a Engineers Day. Or M. Viswesvaraya made the dam in Hirakund Dam in Mahanadi River in Odisha. So here is correct answer, economic planning in India. The gave the idea is M. Viswesvaraya. So we summarize the few topics and writing skill. And what is the meaning of economics? The economics is the meaning of the nation in the particular boundary and geographical area. The economics is study how to society use and limited resource. Economics is a science that deal with a production, distribution and consumption of the goods and service. The term of economics defined as that production, distribution and consumption. In term of production is utpad, distribution is how to supply, and consumption is how to use. And production is a productor is main aim is a profit gain, and distribution is and consumer is a main focus in the maximum satisfaction. Though here is a three tier: production, distribution and consumption. And producer want to always in gain in profit, consumer need to measure in maximum satisfaction. So these are achieving the target. So here is a three major: production, distribution and consumption are goods and service sector. The here is the meaning of economy. Economics word is given used by the Adam Smith book Wealth of Nation. And Indian father of Indian economy, Chanakya. Who is the father of economics? The Adam Smith is also known as a father of economy. Adam Smith belonged to Scotland and Britain. He gave the idea of economics. His four principles give the work from economic. And Adam Smith in book name is Adam Smith book name is Wealth of Nation. So the father of Indian economy. The father of Indian economic is P.V. Narasimha Rao. So P.V. Narasimha Rao is a father of Indian economics, and the part of Vande Mataram movement in the last 1930 is known as a father of Indian economy. P.V. Narasimha Rao is 1991 is Prime Minister of India. You know about the what happening in India in 1991. India is going to financial crisis, and 1991 India is a before the 1991 India is a closed economic, but P.V. Narasimha Rao is when the Prime Minister India going to financial emergency in Article 360 in Constitutional 3 emergency article 352, 356 and 360. The 352 is mentioned in article 352 is indicate the national emergency. Article 356 indicate the financial emergency, and Article 356 is state emergency. Article 352 in central emergency, or Article 356 is financial emergency. So in 1991 India going to financial emergency, but when the Prime Minister of P.V. Narasimha Rao and give the position of the non-politician face, Manmohan Singh in the cabinet make as a cabinet minister and finance minister, and Manmohan Singh apply the globalization policy and convert the India is closed economic to mixed economic. What is the mixed economic? Those economic work in import and export in both are country and also save the national purchasing power is called the mixed economic. Mixed economic is a both are socialist and Pujiwadi capital in both and safe. The father of Indian economic is P.V. Narasimha Rao, and Vande Mataram movement in 1930 in Indian economics. So we move to next question. Who is considered the father of modern Indian economics? The father of modern Indian economic is P.V. Narasimha Rao, is referred as a father of modern Indian economic, introduced by the market reform and during the tenure. The market reform or market globalization in the globalization in worldwide is P.V. goes to credit in P.V. Narasimha Rao, and this in P.V. Narasimha Rao is final. So here is a I hope I hope all the question is all you will be understand. So thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I will try to explain the economics, all the various important fact as well as important question. I will make the another video in also those are in for requirement. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.